Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Monopoly Go game. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and type in Monopoly Go and perform your search. Tap on the Monopoly Go game. There you can find the install button. Tap on it. It'll take a while to download this game. Once the game is installed, tap on the play button to launch or play the game. And this is how you can install Monopoly Go game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.